Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about Skyward and the student access and the way that you can use it to stay organized as a student. So Skyward is a great way to find out your class schedule, do a grade check, get information about your assignments, messages from your teachers, find out about upcoming assignments, as well as due dates. So if you don't know how to log into Skyward or you're not sure where to go, you can always find it on our Port Susan Middle School webpage. So if you go to psm.stanwood.wednet.edu, so this link, you'll get to our webpage that looks like this. And we have a little Skyward tab right down here that you can click on to log in. Once you get to the login screen, it's going to look like this. It's the first 5 letters of your last name followed by the first 3 of your first name and a 000. The password is your lunch number. So an example for John Smith is SMITHJOH 000, and then the 7-digit lunch number here. You'll notice that the password does not have the capital S and an exclamation mark. It's just the 7-digit lunch number. When you get to your login screen, it's going to look something like this. You're going to have a menu item over here of different things to click on. You're going to have messages in the middle that are from your teachers, and then as well as you're going to find information about upcoming assignments and things that are going on. All right, so we're going to look at the student schedule. When you click on student schedule, it looks something like this, and you'll have a list of what your different classes are for each of the terms. This is term 1, term 2, 3, and 4, and then first period, second period, all the way down. So this is a list of what your classes are, where the rooms are located, and all that information. Okay. When you click on Gradebook, you're going to get something that looks like this, where you have a list of your grades and how you're doing in each of those classes. In order to find out more information about that specific grade, you're going to click on the letter of the grade, okay? And then you're going to get to a page that looks like this, and it's going to have a list of your different assignments and how they look. You're going to notice that this is going to be your grade, and then you're going to have your points over here. Sometimes you'll see an asterisk that looks like this, and that means that it's just not been scored yet. And then up here at the top left corner, you'll have your overall grade. Okay. Sometimes you have a little comment bubble that looks like this. It's important to click on those bubbles to find out more information. So example, clicking on this button, we found out that this assignment was resubmitted because of the format. You might get some information about things that you need to do to improve that grade, or what else that you might need to know to do better, or why you got the score you did. Okay. The calendar. So if you click on the calendar tab, you'll notice that you'll have your list of your due dates. Right now, with everything being on due on Wednesdays, that's why we have the big list here. But this is where you can track those due dates, what's coming up and what's going on. And so it's a great way to stay organized with those due dates. All right, so I hope this Skyward overview helped you. Have a great day. Bye.